Yeah, Srijith sir. AGM BHL. You are looking that project and other things. Yeah. Can you share me in one line how this event has effect to you all people?
Yeah, it is. I indeed appreciate the efforts taken by Reva Cranes to educate people all over the section. And it has been really informative. Certain things, even because I am dealing with EOT cranes since my inception, because I am looking after turbine generator works, which is we have cranes from range of 140 up to right now we are having 225 tons crane.
Yeah.
So, in spite of that, certain things like anti-sway and all was certainly new to me. Of course, I am in the user end. I am not in the designing
Okay.
and ordering aspect.
Yeah.
But still, I could appreciate all the factors that you detailed about, and they classified the structured way in which the session was taken.
Yeah.
And really, hats off to Reva Cranes.
Thanks,
I
sir.
Hope that you continue this good venture
Surely,
altogether.
surely, sir. With your
And
with
then
your
definitely your efforts will not go in vain, I'm sure. All the end users and the EPC or consultants and all
Yeah.
will definitely stand benefited by this one,
Surely,
by your
surely.
effort. And then
You know that, Reva. Can you suggest me one things which is going to be grow ourselves and along with you all people?
yeah, certain things maybe you can look into the delivery schedule. As such, including Reva, all the others, the market needs are very clear and all are complying. Certain things like hooks of hoist, those are long lead items, what
Yeah.
I could
Yeah.
find. So, if you can think of certain means of maybe cutting short that cycle, and by the way, we can get speedier
For
delivery.
your good information, we are the only first crane showroom. We are making that crane showroom,
Uh-huh.
and up to 1 ton to 10 tons you can get within 5 or 10 days.
Off the shelf,
Yeah.
kind of off the shelf.
Yeah.
It is really great.
Yeah, we have started, and from 1st November we are launching this showroom.
Yeah.
So with your grace and
Yeah,
that
Definitely.
शुभकामना है,
Yeah.
we are achieving
हमारी
this
शुभकामनाएं
slowly
आपके साथ
slowly.
हमेशा है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Thank you sir. Thanks
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.
Thank you sir.